lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for clicking on this video. Please watch to the end. I am always happy to bring you guys videos every single week, and my goal on this channel is to inspire you when it comes to your skincare. So today we're going to be talking about some budget-friendly skincare products you can use to achieve beautiful skin, to get rid of the patchiness, the dullness on your skin, the unevenness, to brighten your skin up, your under eyes, so that when you put your makeup on, your makeup is going to look flawless, okay? There is just no point in covering things up. There are good drugstore products on the market that you can buy to get rid of your problems. Okay, I look back at some of my old videos and I can see the massive difference on my skin just by being consistent. So let's get started. Now, you don't have to spend, and I've mentioned this before, you don't have to spend a lot of money to buy expensive skincare products to achieve beautiful skin. Number one, okay, you don't have to do that. Number two, you have to be consistent with your skincare. You cannot just use a product for the first time and say to yourself, oh my God, I'm not going to use this product because I did not see any difference in my skin. You have to be patient with yourself and be consistent. Now, we are going to start with this starter kit. I've shown you guys this before. This is from Vasanti Cosmetics. This is a skincare line that I have fallen in love with, and this is a sample kit. The sample kit is only $20. Now, this sample kit will last you between 4 to 6 weeks if you use this twice a day, but all you need to do is use very, very little. So you do have 5 products in here. You do have the serum oil, you do have the moisturizer, you have a mask, an exfoliator, and you also have a cleanser. And all of these products, like I say, they would last you a very, very long time, depending on how often you use it. If you do a daily wash, that's fine as well. You do have 5 beautiful products. This is the best way for me to show them to you, okay? They are sample size. They will last you for a very long time. This kit, like I said, if you do live in Canada, it's only $20 for the kit. You can just start with this and you are going to see a massive difference. Start with the sample kit first, just to make sure that you're not going to have any major reactions from this. This is a very clean line. You obviously will not get any reaction. It's paraben free. It is alcohol free. There is no scent. This is a very clean product. And there aren't any product ingredients in this line that will harm your skin. Because I mean, nowadays, I mean, technology has changed, so skincare has changed. So everything is all vegan and natural right now. And, you know, you have all of these, like I said, paraben-free, alcohol-free, you know, all of these messy things are not in skincare products to harm your skin anymore. So try to find the ingredients. As long as it says clean, I'm good. So this is one of those kits you can start with. Again, if you live in Canada, $20 for this. This is going to last you probably up to 2 months. And with the serum oil, I have been using it, but I put it back in the box to show you guys. You see that? The serum oil is underneath here. And it's been about maybe 3 weeks since I have been using this. And I use one tiny drop on my fingers, and that just works all over my face. So it depends on how you use this product. It's going to last you for a very long time. Again, this is from Vasanti. I'm not quite sure if this is being sold in different parts of the country, but of course you can buy this online. They may have international shipping, but of course if you live in Canada, you can pick this up at Shoppers Drug Mart, and this is always sold out. So when you see this, pick it up, okay? Okay, let's talk about e.l.f. skincare. I love this brand because it is very inexpensive and the results are great. You can start with a sample kit, and I did show you guys this before, and I don't remember what came in the kit, but I remember the moisturizer, and I think there must have been a toner, the serum, and the cleanser, but I'm only left with the serum and the cleanser. The moisturizer is done. And I remember buying this maybe 2 or 3 months ago, and I still have a cleanser and the serum left, because again, it really depends on how often you use the skincare products. And this is called the Blemish Breakthrough line from e.l.f. But you can also use the Blemish Breakthrough Stick. I showed you guys this as well before. Look at that, it's almost finished. And again, I alternate my skincare products all the time. And for the blemish stick, you don't have to use this all over your face. If you just want to do some spot treatments here and there, you may not be able to see it. If you want to just do some spot treatments anywhere on your face where you feel like you need to have that, that blemish to disappear on your face, try this. It is going to help. Trust me, ladies and gentlemen, it will work. And also from e.l.f., you do have the Holy Hydration Makeup Remover. I don't know how some of y'all sleep with your makeup. I mean, do you do that? I don't, I can't, I won't, I would never do that. I have to cleanse my face. If I am wearing makeup on any given day, it's a double cleanse for me. So I always start with removing my makeup with this. It's in 2 sections. You have a lighter water on top and a darker one to the bottom. You just shake this up. A cotton pad removes all of your makeup. This is the Holy Hydration Moisturizer. As you can see, it's almost finished. It's getting there, but I do have another one. And this is the toner, again, from e.l.f. Love this. I've been alternating all of these things in my skincare. Very inexpensive and affordable. And of course, this is the Holy Hydration Eye Cream as well, which works really good. Very, very, very inexpensive. And it is so affordable, guys, I'm telling you. And you will definitely see results. And if you want to get into masking, go to the dollar store, okay? I showed you guys this before. This is from Spa-scriptions, okay? This is a turmeric exfoliating facial scrub. And I know when you think of turmeric, you think of this bright yellow spice. This is not one of those, okay? You just need to put a little bit of this on your hand, okay, just like so. And you're gonna massage this all over your face. And you can barely feel the beads inside of this, okay? Because normally I don't like to use facial scrubs with beads in it, but this one you can barely feel it. And then when you massage it all over your face, you feel like the beads have disappeared. And your skin will feel absolutely amazing. Let me just get another piece of tissue so I can remove this. Your skin will feel so good. Again, from the dollar store, and I use this twice a day, morning and night. And look at that, it's a good size, and I've been using this for maybe about 3 weeks now. Okay. And also from Spa-scriptions, from the dollar store, you do have a set of 3 masks, and these are clay masks. And this clay mask does not dry on your face. Oh my God, I remember back in the days when I used to use clay masks, I used to feel like a brick on my face. This is not so. You can keep this on for 10, 15, 20 minutes. It does not dry down. It is a cream base. It does come with a spatula, but I don't use a spatula. The light green one on top is for deep cleaning. This one here is for hydration. And the yellow one is for deep detox, okay? So you can alternate these however you want. Again, you can get those from the dollar store. Very, very affordable skincare that you can definitely try. Also from the dollar store, from Spa-scriptions, you can get the mask in a set like this. This is going to work. It also comes with a spatula, and you do have 6-piece mask set in here. I don't remember if I showed you guys this before, but somebody won this in a giveaway at some time back. You have pore refining detox, you have moisturizing, you have exfoliating, soothing, and brightening, okay? Anything that will brighten my skin, yes, bring it on. Now, when I talk about brightening my skin, I am not talking about making my skin look like this. I am talking about just enhancing my skin tone. Please don't get it twisted. That's not what we're talking about, okay? Also, you can try these masks from Garnier. Again, very inexpensive skincare and very affordable. I've demonstrated this mask for you before. This is from Garnier Skin Active, and this is a Moisture Balm Super Hydrating Brightening Face Mask. You have to get this one. This is about $4, okay? If you can just use this, let's say 3 times a month consistently, your skin is going to look beautiful. Or if you want to do the pore tightening, you can do that as well. Just start with these. Again, very inexpensive, affordable skincare line you will definitely love. Okay. Also from subscriptions, don't forget the lips. These are lip scrubs. Okay, this must have been about $2 or $3 from the dollar store. I've shown you guys this before. This one smells like orange. Very, very nice. You have to always, exfoliate the lips. And this one here, and I think it smells like strawberries. Oh my God, it smells so nice. And you can see, right? I've been using it. So every time I take my makeup off, I'm in the shower, I use these every single time. This line, subscriptions from the dollar store, you guys, your skin will thank you. Your lips will thank you. And the last thing we're going to talk about is this toner from L'Oreal Paris. This is the Pure Glycolic Peeling Toner. Now, this is not going to peel your skin. This is similar to the Polar Choice 3% BHA liquid exfoliant. It's similar to that, where you can put that on right after you finish washing your face, and then you go in with your moisturizer. Same with this. When I'm finished with my cleanser, I use this toner, and then I can go in with my moisturizer. This is an amazing peeling toner to have as well, to just help to balance your skin out, brighten your skin, exfoliate your skin, and make your skin feel beautiful and light and plump. And I gotta tell you something, ladies, very inexpensive from the drugstore. And if you continue to use these products on a daily basis, twice a day, because we wash your face morning and night, you are going to see amazing, incredible results on your skin, and your skin will thank you. And over time, you would see that your skin becomes brighter, more vibrant. And then when you put your makeup on, your skin will look so absolutely pretty. So these are just some ideas for you guys, which I'm going to leave in the description box for you. Again, very inexpensive skincare products that will brighten your skin. This brightening skincare mask from Garnier, I cannot talk about this product enough. I have like a whole bunch of these. When I go to Walmart, I just basically clear the shelf. There is none left for anybody else because this works so good. I just basically clear the shelf, okay? This is like $3. I mean, $3 or $4. I mean, you can go better than this when it comes to pricing for skincare masks. And the thing is, so this is loaded with serum, and so when you take this off of your face, don't wash it off, just make sure you massage the rest into your skin and put your moisturizer on top, because you already have the acids in this already. That's going to help to brighten your skin. Again, you don't have to take my word for it. Do your own research. Everybody has skin. Everybody's skin needs are totally different. And everything that I have used on my skin to bring my skin to look the way it is right now, I have shared with you guys. And so I am going to leave all of these things in the description box for you guys. There are so many different skincare products that I do have and I'm using, but I'm going to be sharing some with you another time. But these are some of the most inexpensive, affordable skincare lines that you can start with to get beautiful, clear skin. Okay, so I do hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please share and rate this video if you wish. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and of course, please come back next week for another video. My name is Odette. I shall see you next time. Toodles.